I'm Deb Nordby. Welcome to my open house at 504 35th Avenue South in Moorhead. We will walk through the yard and show you the beauty of the yard and then the inside of the home. I will show you first of all some of the great attributes of living on a cul-de-sac area. There is a green space right across the street for your enjoyment, and right up the road here past the van is a city park, and people can just utilize that whenever they wish. The neighborhood is wonderful. It's quiet, and we've got a cute little swing in the front yard, front patio in addition to a deck in the back. A nice little patio for the entryway. You can enjoy your little rocking chair. As we walk into the house, the entryway is a good size entry with a coat closet on your left, and there is a big pantry right in the front close to the kitchen, and the garage entry is right off the entryway. Double garage. The beautiful cabinets in this home are very well built. There is a built-in pantry with pull-out drawers in here, newer stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast nook. Walking into the dining area for you to use for your different gatherings, and the deck is right off the dining. A large living room. We have put in yellow stakes on some of the corners of the lot to give you the idea of approximate where the lot is. It's a much bigger lot than it might look like. The one in the corner back behind the volleyball or the ball there is that corner lot, and then it goes straight up to the front yard. Nice bay window. This home is a 4-level split, so you have upstairs 3 bedrooms and a full bath and a 3/4 bath in the master bedroom. This is a full-size bath. And the master bedroom has 3 closets. The double closet is really quite large, and then an additional one along with one that can be used for a linen closet or whatever you choose off the 3/4 master bath. There's even a little laundry chute next to the bathroom for convenience. The laundry is down on the 3rd level. 2 additional bedrooms that are really good size. As we walk down to the next level, you can see the gas fireplace in the family room. Big open windows, southern exposure, so it looks nice and bright down here. Built-in storage, which is very nice for movies or whatever you choose to use it for. We're walking toward a full bath. It has an automatic light, so I'll get in there to show you the size. And the same thing with the laundry. It has an automatic light also. And the laundry chute is right above our photographer's head. And there's some extra storage to the left for your tools and that kind of thing. Another closet in the hallway. And a very, very large bedroom, your 4th bedroom. Additional source of heating. And the door here to the left is the entry to the lower level. It is a good place for extra. It can be finished in any way you'd like it to be finished. Alrighty, and now we will take a look at the yard, or we already have. So I appreciate you coming to my open house, and if you have any questions or would like to take a look at this listing, please contact your favorite agent. Thank you again for stopping by.